Hello students, welcome in 10th Maths class. Before we are start this, we have studied similarity. Today we are going to study basic proportionality theorem. In this theorem, uh, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersecting the remaining sides in a two distinct points, then the line divides the side in a two same proportion. Here it is given a triangle ABC, and this is a line intersects in a P and Q point. Here it is given in a triangle ABC, line L parallel to line BC. This line L is parallel to VC, and AC in L line intersect AB in and AC in a point P and Q. P and Q. So we have to prove that AP divided by P and AQ divided by QC. Construction. We are drawn the segment. This is BQ and second is PC. This PC and BQ. We are drawn this. To prove that in a triangle APQ, this triangle APQ, and in a triangle BQP. See here PQB, we can read even like this, PQB, or like this, PBQP. In this two triangles, height, if we take a common point Q, then height will be same. So that area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB is equal to AP divided by PB, because their height is same and area proportionate to the base. In another triangle, we are comparing, that is triangle APQ, APQ, and our next triangle is that PQC, PQC here. In this two triangle we are comparing, here we will get AQ divided by QC, because from P we will draw the height, then height will be same for both the triangle, so that area proportionate to the base. Segment PQ is a common. Segment PQ is a common to base triangle APQB and triangle PQC. See this one triangle, triangle BPQB, and triangle, another triangle is PQC here. There segment PQ parallel BC. This segment PQ parallel BC. Therefore, these two triangles are based in a same height with having parallel lines, so that their area of triangle of both the equal. So that here it is given area of triangle AQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. It is equation 3. On 1, 2, 3, we will see that triangle area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB. Here it is taken, this one, from equation 1, and here it is from equation 2, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. So left side of both these equations are proportion taken here, on the that side, right side also we are taken here, and you will see that there is proportionality here. Their side, this is one time we are taken here, that is from 1, 2, and 3 equation, and from 1 and 2 we draw this, that is AP divided by PB and AQ divided by QC. Here it is given AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. It is proved that. In next conversion, conversion of basic proportionality theorem. What is that? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. This line is parallel to this side to be proved. In this figure, it is given line intersects the side AB and side BAC of a triangle ABC in a point P and Q respectively, and AP divided by PB. AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. Hence, line L is parallel to line BC. L is parallel to BC. It is an indirect method to prove. You do it. Activity is given here. One triangle is drawn, that is ABC, and one of the angle bisector is drawn, that is bisecting angle ABC. Angle ABC. This angle B, here it is given that you have to measure these two lines, measure of AB and measure of BC, and AD and DC. You will find the ratio AB divided by BC and AB divided by BC and AD divided by DC. You will find that ratio almost equal. Next, we are going to study the theorem on this and this property of an angle bisector of a triangle. What is that theorem? The bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in a ratio of the remaining sides. What is given here? It is a figure given here. First, this is given triangle ABC, and angle C intersects segment AB in a point E, here at a point E. Then we have to prove that AE divided by EB, here AE divided by EB and CA divided by CB here. Then construction. Draw a line parallel to the ray CE passing through the point B, extends as AC so as to intersect it at a D point. Here, see, it is a line drawn and it is intersect at a point D. Prove ray C parallel ray BD and AD is transversal. Here, ACE, A, see here, A, C, E. This is one angle, here it is formed, and another angle is, see that C, C, D, B. This angle and this angle is a corresponding angle. Then now we'll see the taking BC as a transversal. BC is a transversal. See here, BC is a transversal for these two lines. So that here angle ECB is equal to angle ECB is equal to angle CBD. CBD. This angle and this angle is a alternate angle. And angle CBD congruent angle CDB from 1 to 3. So that, see here, next triangle CBD side CB congruent side CD. These two sides are congruent, this side and this side, because their angles are congruent. This angle and this angle is congruent. So that we will find that now in the triangle ABD segment EC, in a triangle ABD, this is a segment EC parallel segment BD. So that on construction we have seen the basic theorem, that is here AE divided by EB and AC divided by CD. AC divided by CD. Here AE divided by EB. So that we will get this AE divided by EB is equal to AC divided by CB. Here AE divided by EB and AC divided by this BC. Okay. Next, we'll see the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Here, line L parallel to line M, M parallel to line N, and T1 is a transversal and another transversal is a T2. Here, AB and BC are the intercept on the transversal, this AB and BC. And in this transversal, PQ and QR are the intercept. So you find that the ratio of AB divided by CB and ratio of PQ divided by QR here, you will find that almost equal. In next, we are going to study the theorem, that is the ratio of intercept made by a transversal by three parallel lines are equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made by the another transversal by the same parallel line. Here it is given. Here line L parallel to line M and M parallel to N, and T and T2 are the transversal. Transversal T intersects the line in a point A, B, C. This A, B, C, and T2 intersect at the point P, Q, R. So we have to prove that AB divided by BC and PQ divided by QR. Then we will go here to prove this. Draw a segment PC from this PC is a segment drawn and intercept the line M at the point D and in a triangle ACP BD parallel AP. In this triangle ACP, ACP, see here, these two lines are parallel. Which are those? BD parallel AP. So that we will get that AB divided by BC and PD divided by DC. Here it is a basic proportionality theorem. That is one equation. In another triangle, we are going to see that CPR. This is another triangle, which are that CPR. In this, DQ parallel CR. Here it is given. Therefore, PD divided by DC and PQ divided by QR. It is a second equation according to basic proportionality theorem. In this, you will see that this PD divided by DC is a common for in both the equation. So that what is remain? AB divided by BC. It is taken here. And it is this and this, it is taken, this one and this one is as it is common. And therefore, it is taken PQ divided by QR. It, this and this common taken here from equation 1 and 2, that is AB divided by BC and PQ divided by QR.